J&J Auto Wrecking engine test for E3FD088. This is a 2003 Ford Escape with a 3-liter V6 all-wheel drive. Durotech 24-valve Ford fine piece of machinery. Not gonna let it run too long here. Nice and smooth.
There's a theme that runs through.
Just finally got it running. I think I have it listed with 145,000 because I was going off the oil change sticker. But it actually has 143,227. We do offer extended warranties, 6-month, 1-year, and lifetime part and labor warranties. Give a little gas here. She's running good. Thanks again for watching. This is J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for E3FD088. Thank you.